make sure you've saved a compressed version of your 10.7 version, just in case there are any bugs not yet found, or you've got projects that need to be kept in the 10.7 version when you're collaborating with other editors. And just a tip, if you do collaborate, try to get all the collaborators to upgrade at the same time. And this is how to save a copy of the 10.7 version. Go to the Applications folder in your Macintosh HD folder. Find Final Cut Pro and right-click. Select Compress, and it'll create a zip file. You'll see that I've got a number of zip files of previous versions, just in case. No need to do anything else in this folder, as the install process will replace the current Final Cut Pro with the new version, and it will ignore the zip files. And this is how to upgrade. Open the App Store app and select Updates, or go to the App Store on the web and type Final Cut Pro. And you'll see the process in the App Store window, and also if you look in the Applications folder while the upgrade's taking place, you'll see the circle closing on the currently active Final Cut Pro app. In this case it's called Final Cut Pro 10.7.app. When the update's complete, it'll now show 10.8.1, and the App Store will show as recently updated. And when you launch any libraries created in 10.7 or earlier, you'll be asked to update the library. That's all you need to do. And if you ever need to reinstall it, trash the new version and unzip the zip file in the Applications folder. Be aware though, any libraries that were updated to 10.8 will not open.